You said, so I had the privilege of taking the tour today with you, and I'm grateful to you for inviting me to participate in that. And you said something I thought was worth repeating here, that there were over 700,000 free blacks. It wasn't just slaves that were here in the U.S. Over time. During slavery, there were 700,000 free blacks.
Operating at many different levels. And I just said those four cities, and that's where they had some concentration. I mean, if you take in 1820, Thomas Jennings invented dry cleaning in New York City. He had a tailor shop. Yeah. He figured out that when people bring clothes in that needed cleaning, he figured out how to do dry cleaning. And then his daughter, Elizabeth Jennings, in 1856, integrated the streetcar system in New York City.
Oh, wow.
100 years before Rosa Parks. Wow. You never heard of Elizabeth Jennings.
No, that's true.
So what we do with the Kinsey Collection, we bring these other people in. We tell you about people that we should know, but we just don't because it's been wiped out because of the myth of absence. And I didn't finish with the myth of absence. The myth of absence really is not, nobody's mad at us. They just omit us.
Right.
That's even worse.
Yeah.
I mean, if somebody omits you, and Khalil says it, that it's like you go to the prom, and you're the prom king, and they Photoshop you out of the picture.
Wow.
So when you come back and look, you're not there, and you cannot prove that you did anything.
Right.
That's the problem we have in America now, and that's why the Kinsey Collection strives to put us in the narrative by talking and showing you all of these remarkable people through books, manuscripts, and 2- and 3-dimensional art.